Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. I'm your host, Cameron Byrd. This is my special guest, Desiree Judd, and today we are going to do a first ever Creed Aventus DNA battle, which means we will be taking different brands that have Aventus DNA and put it up against a batch of Creed that we picked as our favorite Aventus. But we've got 9 different batches here. Okay, just so you guys know what we're working with, I'm gonna read off the batches that we have. We have 17T01, 17W01, 17X01, 18B01, 17Y02, 16L01, 18B11, 18G11, and 18K01. I know that may sound like a lot of gibberish to some of you guys, but for the people who are really passionate about this fragrance, it matters. When we last left off, we had a Creed Aventus battle, which 18B01 was both of our favorite batch of Creed Aventus out of 9 different batches that we looked over. Today, we are gonna put it up against Bond Number 9's HTTP, Duo Fragrances, Poseidon's Elixir 2.0, Rosia Dove's Elysium, and this is a new one that was just given to me. It's Marina D. Bourbon Monsieur Prince. And we have another one from Duo Elixir, or Poseidon's Elixir 11Z and 13ZZ, and then our Moths Club de Nuit Intense Man. Now, this, like I said, this is the first of its kind. This is going to be a series that we'll be doing. We will be doing more batch battles between the Aventus and DNA battles. I know there's a lot of other ones that we don't have up here. We're just going to pick our one today, see if anyone can actually beat the best batch out. And then if there's any other ones that you guys would like to see us put in a DNA battle, please let us know. Send them out to us. We'll line them up and we'll judge them. To get things started, as usual, we will get a full dry down on all of these, including the king himself. We will do a timer lapse so you can see us spraying them down and get a full dry down. Okay, we're gonna take a little bit of time to let these dry down, and when we come back, I'm gonna let her smell them. And what I'm actually gonna do is I'm just gonna hand them to her, and she's not gonna know which one that I'm giving to her. That way it is kind of a blind DNA test, if you will. Okay, what we've decided to do, that way there is no room for error, no room for anybody to think that there is anything been pre-planned. What I'm going to do is send her off into the next room, and I'm going to number which one of these goes with which of these tabs, and when she comes back, she will just be blind testing these completely. There'll be no way to know what's what. Bye. Today's episode was brought to you by myfragrancesamples.com. Be sure to use our discount code CFR15 for you to get 15% off of all your fragrance needs. Okay, so these have been shuffled and I numbered them. I'm the only one that knows which fragrance corresponds with which number. And then she's going to give a rating, like a 1 to 10 like we normally do. All right, fire away.
Okay.
Which number is that?
This is number 5. And I'll give that a 7.5.
Okay, number 5, 7.5. I don't even remember what numbers are what, but I do have them wrote down. Okay, you pick it. You pick with the numbers.
Okay.
That way I'm completely out of it.
This is number 1. I'll give that one a 6.
Okay. So number 1 has got a 6.
Okay. This is number 2. I'll give that an 8.
Okay. So what was the number was that? Number
2.
2. Number 2 has an 8.
Okay. This is number 7. I think that's gonna tie with an 8.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's
So
right there with it.
Number 7 has an 8.
Okay. This is number 3. I'll put that one in as a 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was number 3. Okay, got a 7 on 3.
Okay, this is number 8. This might be a 9 or even a 10.
Okay.
We'll go in the middle and say 9.5. That's
Okay.
my favorite so far.
Number 8 has got 9.5 or maybe 10, just depending on how the other ones do.
This is number 4. Maybe a 6.
Okay.
That one.
Number 4 has a 6.
Okay. And then the last one is number 6. I would give that a 5.
A 5, okay.
Yes.
So that was probably like the weakest one out of the bunch,
Yes.
huh? Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna reveal which ones they were.
Okay.
All right, so which one was it that you were so crazy about?
Number... God, I don't remember.
Okay, well.
That's
number
what
8.
I thought. Okay.
Okay, we'll reveal that one last. Okay, so number 7 was HTTP by Bond number 9. Number 2 was 11Z from Dua Fragrances. Number 4 was Roja Dove's Elysium. Number 5 was Poseidon's Elixir 2.0 by Dua Fragrances. Number 6 was Creed Aventus. Number 1 was 13ZZ from Dua Fragrances. And number 3 was Monsieur. The winner. Oh my gosh. Club and Wing Intense, man. The least expensive, or one of the probably the least expensive one out of the bunch. They do a good job, and I think probably part of the reason, because to me, in my personal opinion, this does have the vintage Aventus smell. It does have that smokiness, heavy on the birch, and this is what you picked.
The best one.
I never would have thought. I actually thought that number was Creed Aventus, to be honest with you, but we did it fair and square, guys. And hey, let you know that you can get a awesome smelling Aventus type fragrance from our Moth Club de Nuit Intense, man.
Is that bad? Is that okay?
No, that was
Okay.
honest. That was honest.
Okay.
That was honest. Okay.
That one smelled really good though. Like it was instant as soon as I smelled it.
Yeah. Okay guys, that wraps it up for today. This is, like I said, this is a series. This is the first of a series of Creed Aventus batches and Creed DNA. This is actually a Creed clone. Now like http and Elysiums, they were, you know, like the DNA of Aventus. They had their own take with the pineapple and the birch and the apple and all that. This is actually a clone. So sounds like our mom's done a really bang up job of cloning the King Creed Aventus. There you have it. Believe it or not, the King has temporarily been dethroned. We'll see what happens in the next round of the DNA and batch battle. We appreciate you tuning in. Make sure to leave Desiree some love down in the comments. We thank you for everything. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notifications bell. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews. Okay. Holy crap.
Oh gosh. Well, I mean,
it was honesty.
Though.
It was
like,
honesty.
It smelled the best.
It was honesty because you're like, yo. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you what. Let me tell you a little secret.
All right.
This was so strong when I got it. I left it out. It was like 100 degrees outside. No, like a big no-no is to leave a fragrance like this in a vehicle to sweat. But it was so strong and so pungent, I couldn't take it. It was too much. So then after I let it see, because you can see how it's even like messed up around here where it was sweated. So after I did that for about 2 weeks, I was like, it's perfect now. I
mean, it smells really good. Oh boy.
Yep. And there's a lot of people that swear by this stuff, so you didn't do anything except confirm what other people have been wondering anyway.
Yeah, that just smells really good.
What?